seagulls I've been seeing. Oh my god, that was... Right, that's done. That's right, no, this is his bus. Alright, that police... Yeah, 2 police vehicles. There's a police van, a police car, police officers. That's TV. So just try the Queen Egg again and hope no seagulls get it. They're already there waiting for me, so I've got to be careful. Right, here it is in my hand. Seagulls, better not get it. I'm walking down here as normal. Seagulls came and snatched it out of my hand. And it hurt me. So today, in actual fact, I'll hold it. It's a slightly different position. Yesterday, I was walking down like this eating the Queen Egg. Seagull came and snatched it out of my hand.
Okay, just shoot.
I was doing exactly this, and the seagull came and snatched it. Today, I bet you they know that they're being watched. Strange. Yesterday, I was walking down eating my Queen Egg like this. A seagull came and took it. And go round about doing bus spotting. They keep leaving out these pavements. I keep tripping over them. Oh. Are you joking me? Queen Egg has exploded. Yesterday seagull was it? Today it explodes. What next? What next? Are you alright? The next to drop it? Oh no, that already here. Oops. Oh no. Oh no, seagull. Yeah, I think it was that one that was on it yesterday. Oh, he is a seagull. So it's my fish. Seagulls eating Queen Egg. Not sure what I fed them after yesterday. I'll go look at it. While I'm walking, in case the seagull comes and snatches my Queen Egg. I hope they don't, because I want to eat this. I'm just gonna hold it like this. And hope the seagull doesn't steal it. I've got all safety in case they do. Okay, in case they want to come and grab it. Almost happened again. Yes, they're walking along like this, eating my Queen Egg, just munching away on it like this. And a seagull came and snatched in her. And it's that same happened as well. Hoping that they don't do it today. If they do though, I'll upload this as a YouTube shorts. If not, I'll delete the clip. I'll do it when I'm filming the bus, if not. Uh-oh. That's a fail. Oh god. Oh god, they've spotted me. I didn't do it. What was that timing? I'm going to do an 800 chase through town. I'm going to do it. Bus chase. Bus chase! Let's go! Beep beep! Let's go, bus chase. Bus chase. Wait in. 36, 224. Is it alright if I come on have a look, please?
We're a bit busy, mate. Got to get sorted.
Okay. Huh? What? What? 36224. You keep jobs carrying me. Station board. Maybe 57, that's worth not Exeter. 10456. SN65 NZO. Single 57 to Exeter. Oh. Oh. How? 15254. Oh, right in the sunlight. 48005, right in the sunlight. Thursday 15 ABZ. Also got ABZ as well, 48013. 48013, you should be on 96. There is a train. I heard it. There's a class on 50. I heard. From what I heard, there's a class on 50. I know where he is as well. I know where Jake is. Oh my god. He can change the life in order to pass him. Anyway, how did you I didn't see Jake. Wherever Jake is. I bet you he ain't here. I heard it. Bet you it was the passing. We're having trouble finding Jake. Yeah, he says to me about wandering off. Hang on a minute. He's wandered off. He's wandered off without me. Oh yeah, he says about me doing that. Oh, he said makes sense. Oh. Oh. Seagulls after your food. There's a plane or something up there.